Ever felt mentally and physically exhausted and wondered why? Well, in our fast-paced, high-stress world, it's no surprise that exhaustion is a common complaint. You may feel tired, weak, and worn out, with your nerves on edge. Now, what if I told you there's a solution to this widespread issue? Enter Phos, or potassium phosphate. This remarkable compound is more than just a nerve nutrient. It's a vital component of all bodily tissues and fluids, particularly those of the nervous system and muscles. Its primary function? To keep your nerves healthy and nourished, and to assist in the all-important oxidation process. But that's not all. Phos is also known to help alleviate nervous tension and exhaustion, and if you're worried about organic decay, Phos has got you covered, acting as an effective antiseptic. So, how does Phos work, and what signs indicate its deficiency? Stay tuned to find out. Feeling tired, weak, and stressed might be signs of Phos deficiency. Phos, or potassium phosphate, is a vital constituent of all tissues, nerve tissue, brain tissue, and all body fluids. Its deficiency could manifest in a variety of ways, both physically and mentally. On a mental level, you may experience a constant feeling of exhaustion, even after a good night's sleep. You might find yourself wrestling with insomnia, unable to rest your mind. Nervousness and stress can become constant companions, making it difficult to focus and function optimally. In more severe cases, symptoms could escalate to brain fatigue, fearfulness, pessimism, or even a state of delirium. Physically, the signs of Phos deficiency are just as diverse. Blurred vision, droopy eyelids, and weakened eyesight could be the first signs. You might experience neuralgia, a severe burning or stabbing pain often caused by damaged nerves, and tinnitus, a condition characterized by buzzing, hissing, or humming in the ear. In your oral health, symptoms could present as bleeding gums or a nervous toothache. Skin conditions, such as rashes similar to nettle rash, chilblains, dermatitis, and sensations of crawling or itching, could also be indicative of a deficiency. Gastrointestinal issues are another common sign, including feeling empty in the pit of the stomach and experiencing hunger shortly after eating a full meal. This condition, known as nervous indigestion, could be a sign that your body is lacking in Phos. Interestingly, Phos deficiency can also impact sexual health. Men might experience impotence or lack of desire, while women might notice an increase in sexual desire following their periods. In essence, Phos deficiency symptoms can be wide-ranging and affect multiple systems in the body, from the nervous system to digestive health, vision, and even sexual health. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards addressing the deficiency and restoring balance in your body. But how does Phos help with these symptoms? Let's explore in the next scene. Phos is a versatile nerve nutrient with a range of benefits. It's like a superhero for your nervous system, swooping in to combat temporary nervousness, nervous headaches, and those pesky black moods that can cloud your day. It doesn't stop there, though. Phos also plays a pivotal role in managing melancholy, depression, and weariness. It's like a calming breeze for tension, a spark for a sluggish mind, and a memory booster. If despair and anxiety are knocking on your door, Phos is there to help you face them down. But the benefits of Phos extend beyond emotional health. It also assists with various physical nerve complaints, including neuritis, incontinence, and even impotence. Ever heard of sciatica or motor and spinal nerve disturbance? Phos is known to help with those too. So, the next time you're feeling mentally or physically drained, remember Phos could be the key to your relief.